Hello guys, welcome to my channel Technical Shubham. Here we are going to learn how to write a program of Python for addition of two numbers. So let's get started. This is my Python coded Visual Code. Let's open it. After that we have to create a new file. Name the file, that is test1. In this text area we have to write our code, that is write a program to find the sum of numbers, and here we have to write a line of code, that is num1 is equals to eval input enter the first number, enter it, num2 is equals to let's copy it, then paste it here, that is enter the second number. After that we have to define a variable, that is sum is equals to num1 plus num2, enter it, then print the sum of the given numbers are here we apply comma, and then we have to write sum. Let's run our code. It was asking for first number, that is 12, enter the second number, that is 15, the output is 27. I hope you will get it. Thank you.